Okay, here we go. Hi, everybody. My name is Kaylin Thompson. I'm the marketing manager here at Burger Law. Today, I have our recent scholarship winner, Kimberly. Kimberly, can you introduce yourself to everyone?
Hi, my name is Kimberly Holland. I'm a senior at Baltimore City College High School, and I applied to the Burger Scholarship.
That's awesome. Kimberly, we're really happy that you applied to our scholarship. I loved reading your essay, and our essay topic for this scholarship winner was Bullying, Breaking the Cycle 2021 Scholarship. Here at Burger Law, we hate bullies. Like our founder Gary Berger likes to say that insurance companies sometimes like to bully people, and so that's why we, a personal injury law firm, like to help our clients and fight those bullies. So let's dive into your essay, Kimberly. Can you tell us about your journey through your essay and everything, and everything about it, basically?
Sure. So I started my essay off by saying that when I was growing up, there wasn't a lot of diversity on like TV shows and stuff, and that had like some instilled what's the word for it? Like self-hate. I don't want to say self-hate, but that's like kind of what it was. So
Mhm.
like when I was younger, that was the thing. Like Nickelodeon, Disney, it didn't have a lot of diversity on it. So when I got to middle school, as a dark-skinned female, I had faced some adversity growing up, and it wasn't until this girl came, like she was a good friend of mine, but we ended up not being friends anymore because of like some inconsistencies in the friendship, and that's basically what I wrote about.
That was a really touching story, and it was sad. It was really sad to read that you went through this kind of stuff and everything at a very young age and everything. How would you say your experience has changed you? I guess I should say.
It took me through a process where like I wasn't as confident going into high school as I should have been because of these series of events. But over the pandemic and everything, I like regained my confidence and I started a business, and that kind of stemmed from that because it helped build my confidence. It helped me put myself out there. And yeah.
You started a business. Can you tell me about that? That's interesting. That's so cool.
Sure. So I actually have two, but I'm going to talk about
Okay.
one of them. So the first business I started is called Purple Peacock, and it's a very like I picked that name specifically because when people hear it, they're like, "What? What is that?" And they want to
I
like
was gonna
stop.
say.
Yeah, they want to stop and figure out like what it is. So that's why I picked the name like that. And it's basically like a business where I sell like accessories, clothes, and stuff like that for people who identify as being women.
Mhm.
So it's like phone cases, watch bands, Apple Watch bands, and like trendy clothing and accessories that I sell. And over the pandemic, I was really successful in having my business. But when I went back to school, it kind of slowed down a little bit because I didn't have all that time that I had before. And yeah.
That's so cool. How I'm guessing you want to go into business school or something?
Actually, yes, I'm majoring in business administration and management in the fall.
Wow. What college are you looking at?
I'm looking at Jackson State University. That's my number one choice.
What made you pick there?
Well, I knew I wanted to go to a HBCU, which is for those who don't know, it's a historically Black college and university. I knew I wanted to do that. And I always felt connected to like the state of Mississippi, and it's like the best HBCU in Mississippi. So that's why I chose Jackson State.
That's so awesome. And so you're young, you're starting your own business and everything, and you're going to major in business. What is the ultimate goal one day with this degree?
Well, I definitely want to work at a in an office setting at first when I first graduate to like learn the ropes of everything. And then I want to have like my own businesses, like own successful businesses that are like more mainstream and more professional than the ones I have now. But I don't know exactly what type of business I want to go into yet.
No, that's really cool that even if you're young and everything, you started your own business. And the pandemic was really a great time for a lot of these small businesses to kind of get their names out and everything. And that's you took advantage of that. That's very wise of you. And I'm guessing, are you on Etsy?
I do have an Etsy shop, but my main shop, I have three businesses. So I do have an Etsy shop, but my main shop is on Shopify.
Shopify, I haven't heard of that. So that's interesting.
Yeah.
So going back to your essay and everything, and the topic is break the cycle. What would you think it takes to break that cycle of bullying in our schools?
Well, I definitely think talking about things definitely helps. And like, um, I think that it's easier to build strong children than to repair broken adults. So like if we were to catch it young and like have more support systems in schools and make sure children are feeling supported and loved at home, then I think there wouldn't be as much bullying to address as there is now. But since we are dealing with it now, I really think that spreading awareness and things like that are a good way to handle it.
That was a beautiful answer. I love that answer. Um, let's see. I had another question. I had a list of questions. I apologize. I'm a little slow today. It is Monday after all.
No, you're fine.
Um, anything else? Is there anything you want to tell us about yourself or anything before we kind of close out and everything? Like anything you want to let people know about your business, about your future plans and everything? How you found Burger Law, I guess. How did you find us? I should ask that. I should have asked that first.
I have an account with Scholarship Owl, and basically you pay like $45 for every 6 months, I believe it is, and they
Mhm.
they list all the scholarships that are available on there. So
Was this a fun topic for today? I mean, it's not a fun topic, but was this an interesting topic to write
it
about?
was because I had never really talked about this to anyone except my mom. So it was like an outlet for me to be able to do this, and I like writing. So
You're a very good writer. I loved your essay was just really touching. I definitely could feel your emotions coming through and if anyone ever wants to read it, it will be available on the Burger Law website. So we're gonna show you off basically.
thank you.
Kimberly, I think that's really it. I know these are short and everything. We just want to get to know you and everything. And I feel like honestly, the best way to get to know you is through your essay, which was again very powerful, especially for someone so young. I was impressed and it was just awesome. And you guys so and the fact is you're so young and starting your own business, that's just so cool.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in with us for Burger Law's scholarship winner. Kimberly, we hope for the best and congratulations on winning our scholarship. We see really great things for you in the future.
Thank you so much.